Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want more berries and that summer feeling. It's so wonderful and warm. Breathe me in.
Hey y'all, so I don't know if this is a new vlog. Well, it is. So hey y'all, it's your girl Bree and I'm back with another video. So guys, today I just got something exciting in the mail. So I don't know if y'all on that side of TikTok, but I'm on that side of TikTok. They've been trying this chamoy pickle, and it looks just so good, and I just wanted to try. But the funny thing is, I don't like pickles. So why did I buy it? I don't know. It just looked hella good. And then I saw them trying these sour candy, and y'all, if y'all know me, y'all know I love me some sour candy. So crazy enough, both package came in the same day, which is crazy because I ordered them days apart. But I don't know which one is which. I'm trying to see, because I'm not going to try the chamoy pickle yet. Let me see. I don't want to try the chamoy pickle yet. So this one. This is the sour candy. I'm so excited. Let's try it, because I want to try the chamoy pickle for a TikTok video. So let's see what I got. Oh my gosh. So I got the grape one and the blue raspberry, I guess. Alright, let's try this one. I don't know if y'all can see. Look at this. It looks so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, hold on. Let's try it, y'all. Let's see if it's worth the hype. I'm so excited. Alright. Hold on. How do I open this? It smells good. Alright. I'm so scared. Alright. Y'all, this is actually good. Look at the grape one, y'all. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's try this one. Well, this is good. This is good, but they taste so good. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and I'm about to go to urgent care because I'm trying to do my physical. Cross our fingers I got through. So I'm gonna get through because my camera. And yeah, I was trying to do my hair curly and nice, but guys, it's not working out for me. And I'm anyways, this is today's outfit. You know, something chill. It's nice outside. I love it. I want to do my nails, but I don't know because yeah, hopefully urgent care take card, because I don't think I have enough cash to do my nails plus urgent care. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I have my hair in a little ponytail, you know. Anyways, see y'all on the road. Y'all, I'm in the doctor's office. Finally. But I'm about to tell when I'll get out. Hey guys, so as y'all can see, I'm back in my bed because let me tell y'all. So I told y'all I was gonna do my nails, get my nails done, right? Guys, one mind tell me say call the place and ask how much for short French tips, acrylic French tips, guys. Short. Tell me why this man I gonna tell me says $65. $65 your mother? $65 for short French tips? Are you out of your mind? No. So I said, I'm not about to do that. But I end up going back over the plaza, return the item, get back my money, and I'm gonna get some Chipotle. Let me eat right now. It looks so good, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna here watch let me show y'all. This is one of my favorite YouTubers, Jamaican YouTubers. Janae, I love her.
With the friend thing.
She is so nice. I love her, guys. Anyways, yeah, I'm just a day here. I did really want to get my nails done, but $65 is not it. It's not it at all. And then it's like the other salon that I usually go to with my mom. The address that they have on their internet is not the right address. So it's like, man, I do nothing. Just stay in my yard. I got work tomorrow. I just can't bother. At least me get my physical done. And me buy what I need to buy. Yeah. But after today, I'm not spend no more money because not until no, too much money spending. Y'all don't even want to know how much I had to pay to get that little physical what take less than 10 minutes, not even 5 minutes. Even if I gotta think about it because that's gonna make me cry. But whatever we spend, we will work back for it. So anyways, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. I don't know when, but I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Bye. Hey guys, we're at the mall with the family. My sister's over there.
I'm with them guys. I wish you talking.
Anyways, me backside. So guys, I've been wanting this piercing for the longest, which is the belly piercing. And guys, I really wanted to film my me getting the piercing done, but unfortunately they did not allow it, which sucks. But guys, I finally did it. It looks so good. I'm gonna show y'all in the next clip. And the pain was like 10 out of 10. But like it was like for like 2 seconds and then the pain went away. But will I do it ever again? Absolutely not, but it looks good though. Hey y'all, it's the next day and I know I didn't vlog in the mall because guys, it was so chaotic because I had all my nieces and nephew and then we were shopping. We came back after 9. We were in the mall until closing. It was chaotic, but I got something impulsive. I told you I was gonna get my piercing, my belly button piercing. I got it, but I'm gonna show y'all when I have on a top because I have on a 90. But I'm gonna show y'all because today we're going to a car show, so I'm gonna show y'all today's fit and then I'm gonna show y'all my piercing. So stay tuned to the vlog. Y'all, this is today's fit. I was gonna wear my crop top, but it's too cold for that. It's not the time or place. This is the style. It does not look like It looks bad on camera, but it looks so much better in person. But yeah, this is today's fit. Ooh, let me show y'all my belly button. Can y'all see? Can y'all see though? It looks so cute. Anyways, see y'all when I see y'all.
Yeah, baby. It's so expensive. If you wanna be mine, where you belong is all alone with me. I know you don't miss him.
I swear to God, my whole thing been wicked. Tried to keep the peace, but all our peace around is bitches. I see the topic now about everything is snitching. If it's allegations, you snitching, then I promise, nigga.
Corey Towns, y'all.
Thank God for me, all my bitches gon' lie for me. Thank God for me, Lil G-Wagon, that Tesla cheap. Thank God for me, all my niggas gon' slide for me. All my niggas gon' for me. Nigga, go to hell, you ain't fed. The white bitch do what I said. You rap niggas stay on your pairs. The truth been coming out fairs. My neck piece looking like pears. The Maybach, me and her married. I look down, nigga, that's scared. The right tells me to get buried. You hanging on to it now barely. Move on, nigga, that's clarity. Came home, nigga, that's scandalous. All red-headed on candy. Bitch ass nigga, you fancy. IG looking like Bambi. Real life, nigga, no brand. Quick watch, nigga, it's glossy. Quick flex, gotta get off. Get back, nigga, you off. Shoot shine, nigga, keep dancing. The law really stands. Big fees, one of my features. Some cheese, one of my steep. Blue lips, really unspeechless. What's going on? Shit getting tricky out here, my nigga, what's going on? He tellin', what going on? Man, it was supposed to be a secret, but on God, you niggas lame. On God, you niggas shady. On God, you niggas ain't who I want on God. With a hoe right now on God. I'ma fuck her in the face on God. The American dream, hoorah. What is police ass niggas going live? We lie, we slide. You slide, fuck her in the face, hoorah. I done ran from the Porsche, just vibes. Heard a real ass nigga won't die. Shit, a legend like me can't die. I'm alive, who lied? I've been popping this shit since 9. A few times, more times. If I go out right now, I'm fine. If I die right now, I'm fine. When I'm here at home, I'm fine. Got a bucket at home, still mine. Got the same little Rari that climbs. I shine, big time. Boy, you gotta catch up, you blind.
Y'all, currently, as y'all can see, we're at the car meet. We just came back to the car to get my niece something to drink. But guys, they have so much nice car here. I think my new dream car is the BMW M5 CS. Like that thing. Oh my god, it looks so good. But yeah, we're here just checking out, you know. But yeah, my hair is a mess, absolutely mess. Oh my god, but it's okay. Anyway, see y'all when I see y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, guys, I'm about to make a seafood boil. I just came from Target and the supermarket, well, the store from ShopRite, and I bought all the stuff to make the seafood boil. So me and my mother is currently making it. I'm so excited because I've been craving seafood for a long time. But I'm show y'all, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Target and ShopRite, maybe. But let me split the camera. So we got the corn and the potatoes in here. Look at that. And then hold on. Oh my gosh. Then I just started the seafood part. We using the crab something, the season in here. So just how we add this to boil. Then we got crab legs, shrimp, and lobster from water. But the crab legs for me, I'm so excited. Look at those guys. I'm so excited now. Oh guys, we just put in the crab legs and we just seasoned it. Yup, and the food came out, you know. It's getting along. Anyways, yo, what up, y'all? Yo, look how this looking. This is finished. Now making the sauce. Look at that. Perfection right there. I'm so excited, guys. I've been feeling for the longest time. It does look so good. And I'm making the sauce. Well, I'm gonna show y'all when it's finished and when I'm throwing it over this stuff. Hey guys, sorry for the bad lighting, but guys, yesterday is the next day. Yesterday, militarily knocked the heck out, like literally. After I didn't eat the seafood, I came upstairs and said, oh, let me just lay down for a little bit. I was even on the phone with my cousin. Girl, my drop asleep. And it was literally like after 9 o'clock. Like early 9 o'clock. I just fell asleep, bro. Because I'm so tired. I went to work yesterday. Yeah. So today's my day off. So I wanted to show y'all my 3 little stuff that I got from tour day, you know. So I bought, let me show y'all. Firstly, I bought these because I'm running out. You guys always use the one that is organic. That is chlorine. What's it called? Chlorine free. Yeah. I always use it because the other ones be having chlorine in it, and you don't want chlorine, and you know. Anyways, so my mom bought this. If y'all remember, I bought that about a few months ago. I told her, Mom, it smell good. Oh, you love follow the influencer them where you see on TikTok and YouTube. I'm like, no, she wanna buy it. Like, come on now. So she finally bought it because it does smell good, guys. The first person I saw with it was Diera, and it smelled really good. And it leaves you moisturized for real. So then I bought this. The Smoother Glorasic Acid Body Wash gently exfoliates and resurfaces to reveal softer, smoother skin. So I bought this. I'm so excited to try it. And then I bought a new skincare because I'm just obsessed with skincare, you know. I bought a new cleanser. It's the La Roche-Posay. Is that how it's pronounced? Because I don't know, Bookie. I got the Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I heard good things about it, so I bought it. And it's so cute. Anyways, that's all I bought from Target. I wanted to buy the Star Face pimple patches, but they ran out. Literally. Empty. The empty shelf. But that's all I bought at Target yesterday. But I'll see y'all when I see y'all, because I don't know what this vlog is gonna be, honestly, because I started another vlog, my graduation vlog, and it's like, it's colliding. I don't want to put this in my graduation vlog, but then again, you know, because I haven't posted in a month, guys. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, but I'm trying. I got work, I got school. I just finished my college classes, and I got all A's, period. But my graduation is like literally in 2 weeks or something like that. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Guys, where we there? Which part we there? We're in downtown Philly, and we're about to go up these steps. What is it called? The Rocky Steps? We're about to go up the Rocky Steps, guys. We just came from Shake Shack. I don't know who these people, but yeah. Look at me. Y'all can see it in the background right there.